Guys, in today's video I would like to show us how we can change our name on Athene Network. The first thing you want to do is to log into your Athene Network applications on your phone. When you log in, it will take you to the home page. Then you can click on the icon that shows where you are supposed to put your photo. So you click on the icon like this, and it will take you to this page where you have your name. So you can typically update your account information on this page. You can change your phone number, you can change your name, you can input your referral code from here. So in my own case, if this is where you are going to change your name, so you can just change your name to whatever you would like to use. So then you click on updates. So we have successfully changed our name on Athene Network. That's how to go about that. If you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification button so you can be notified when I post my next video. Thank you.